A quality Swedish dishcloths can make everyday cleaning tasks noticeably easier while saving time. These cloths matter because they replace multiple small kitchen tools and simplify daily routines. Options vary in size, texture, and price to suit different needs and budgets. This overview focuses on features, ease of use, and performance to guide a confident decision. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 6. Lightweight woven design defines Lucomb Swedish dishcloths for kitchen as a paper towel replacement for everyday cleanup. Machine washable material resists pilling, so the cloth keeps performing through many wash cycles, which can lower long-term spending compared to constantly buying rolls. The dense weave traps grease and bacteria while spreading cleaning agents evenly, reducing rework on greasy countertops and splash stovetops. Busy homeowners and eco-conscious renters who want low-effort cleanup will appreciate how quickly it dries between uses. This product earns its slot by aligning durability, absorption, and sustainable habits in one compact bundle for practical kitchen maintenance. Number 5. Lightweight yet sturdy. These tin cloths from Superscandi fit easily into a kitchen drawer. Each sheet combines softwood and recycled cotton for a texture that feels cloth-like rather than papery. That structure helps it grab spills without leaving lint, reducing the need for stacks of paper towels. Because it rinses clean and dries fast, one cloth can cover multiple surfaces like countertops and appliances. For viewers who manage daily messes and kitchen clutter, this set offers a simple way to cut disposable towel use and streamline cleaning tasks. Number 4. For Harps&Seb dishcloths, the standout detail is the grid texture on the surface. This pattern helps grab and hold onto stubborn food bits without scratching delicate surfaces. The cloth is highly absorbent, soaking up around 20 times its weight, which speeds up cleanup and uses less product. Since it replaces many paper rolls, it cuts down on trash and fits eco-conscious households. It suits homeowners and apartment renters who want a machine washable option lasting up to 50 washes. On this list, it earns a spot for buyers seeking a practical cleaning cloth that handles daily tasks while supporting lower waste habits. Number 3. Built like a compact fabric tile, Wettex, the original Swedish dishcloth, brings a straightforward approach to surface care. This reusable cloth replaces multiple paper towels, cutting household waste without complicating your routine. Its dense weave grabs grease, while machine washing keeps it ready through many cleanings. It suits owners who want a simple, washable tool for kitchens, bathrooms, and messes across the home. On this list, it earns a spot for buyers who value familiar design, easy maintenance, and a practical alternative to single-use options. No advanced skills are needed, just rinse, wring, and use. Number 2. A single sheet that soaks up 20 times its own weight changes how you handle kitchen spills. The Molkene Swedish dishcloths for kitchen are natural sustainable material cloths replacing sponges and paper towels. What makes them different is that high absorbency paired with full compost breakdown in 90 days. This matters because one cloth clears a knocked-over drink fast, then later composts instead of filling landfill. The washable build cleans dishes, counters, bathroom, office, and car, cutting how many tools you need. They suit homeowners, apartment residents, and eco-minded shoppers wanting simple everyday cleanup. They earned a spot on our list by combining strong liquid pickup with a clear waste reduction plan. Number 1. Lightweight cloths arrive in a 10-pack, delivering flexible cleaning across kitchen surfaces without heavy linen feel. The wood pulp core quickly soaks up watery spills, then holds that moisture, which helps reduce slipping hazards while supporting faster dry times on dishes and counters. This surface versatility extends to glass, polished stone, and sealed furniture, streamlining routine cleanup tasks around the home. It suits renters and homeowners who want compact storage and lower waste impact through machine washable reuse. This listing appears here because the bundle size and material traits align with budget-driven, space-efficient cleaning strategies for everyday mess control. These cloths provide a simple mix of cleaning options depending on surface needs and care habits. Budget-focused, performance-oriented, and family users each find different fits here. Comparing size, material, and expected usage helps match the right option to your routine. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.